everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this occasion, I will tell you about the time. Here is the table of the content for today's lesson. There are how to tell time on the clock, the second one is the time, and the last is the days. So, now we move to how to tell time on the clock. Let's see on the picture. They are the hand of the time. The blue one is short hand and the red one is long hand. The short hand means the hours and for the long hand it means the minute. And for the digital clock, the two number in front of column is hour and the last two number is minute. Now we'll look at the slide sharp, or we can call it a clock. A clock is when the last two hands of the digital clock are at 00, or the long hand of the analog clock is at 12. It means that the hour has just begun. For example, at the long hand of the analog clock is at 12. That means it's 2 o'clock. And for the example, for the picture of the last two hands of the digital clock are at 0, so it means it's 10 o'clock. Next, half past. Half past is the long hand of the analog watch will be at the number 6. And on the digital clock, the last two digits will be at 30. It means that the first half of the hour has passed. For the example, look at the picture. The analog watch will be at the number 6. And the short hand of the analog watch is between 1 and 2. And for the digital clock, the last two digits will be at 30. And the one numbers in front of column is 1. So it means it 1:30. Now we move to a quarter past. The hand of the analog clock will be at 3. And on the digital clock, the last digit will be 15, which means that a quarter of an hour has passed. For example, look at the picture. The long hand of the analog clock at 3 and the short hand of the analog clock at 5. And for the digital clock, the first number in front of column is 5 and the last digit will be 15. So it means it's 5:15. So now we move to a quarter to. The long hand will be at 9, while on the digital clock, the last two digits will be 45. This means that there are 50 minutes left until the end of the hour. For the example, look at the picture. The long hand will be at 9. And the short hand will be at the between 12 and 1. But the short hand is near to 1. And for the digital clock, the two number in front of column is 12. And the last digit is 45. So it called a quarter to 1. So for the time, it's divided into 3 times. The first one is yesterday, the second one is today, and the third one is tomorrow. Yesterday, it is the day before the present day. Today indicate the present day on which the speaker or writer is, and tomorrow it is used to refer to the next day after the present day. Let's move to the next slide about the days. Now we move to a week. There are 7 days in a week. Do you remember the song about days? Let's sing it together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yay! Great job! So, in Indonesia, the first day that we say is Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, look at the right side. There is the use of the time. So for the time, it's divided into 3 times. The first one is yesterday, the second one is today, and the third one is tomorrow. Yesterday, it is the day before the present day. Today indicate the present day on which the speaker or writer is, and tomorrow it is used to refer to the next day after the present day. For the next slide is a month. There are 12 months in a year. The first month is January, and then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last one is December. Now, look at the right side. There is the use of the time. For example, this month is February. Before this month is January, so the last month was January. And after February is March, so the next month is March. We move to the next slide. Read the year. So here, I will tell you how to read the year from Bahasa to English. For the first one, the example of 1995, we read in the English language as 1996. And for the second one, 2021, we read 2021. And the last one, 2009, we read 2009. And so on. Same as read the year. Now I will tell you how to read the date from Bahasa to English. There are 2 formats of the date. There are British format and American format. For the British format, it's day/month/year. And for the American format, month/day/year. For the British format, it write and read with ordinal number. And for the American format, it write with cardinal number and read with ordinal number. The example of British format is 2/12/2021 or 2021. It write 2 as an ordinal number. There are ND for the apostrophe in the 2, and then December, and then 2021. And it read the 2nd of December 2021. And for the example of American format is 12/2/2021. And it write December 2, 2021. And it read December the 2nd, 2021. So after we learn about a week, a month, read the year, and read the date, when is your birthday? Please leave the comment in the comment section. And after learn about how to tell time on the clock, do you know what time is it? Please tell me in the comment section what time did you watch this video. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it can be useful for you and have a nice day. See you!